Have you ever wondered why do things go wrong when you fear them the most? And have you noticed whenever you write a problem, it tends to get solved so easily? Well, that's not a coincidence. It's code. Today I will be debunking 5 powerful laws which are literally running your life. And trust me, awareness of even one of these will change your life. Law number 1, which is Murphy's Law. The more you fear something, the more likely it is to occur. Well, fear is just like a magnet. 2 different magnets. One, your own personality and your thoughts. Whenever a situation arises and you think to yourself that what if I mess this up, you're literally attracting this fear towards you. And what it does? It gets attached to you, literally snatching up your faith. In result, your subconscious follows the rules which are set up by your own mind to play games on you, ending up you messing a situation up. Because your energy doesn't lie. In these situations, you should literally ask the question to yourself that whether you are feeding fear or feeding faith. Law number 2, Kydland's Law. It states that whenever you write a problem down clearly and specifically, you tend to solve half of it. The mainstream reason is your brain is trying to balance many things at once, like your emotions, your ideas, your deadlines, your doubts, and so much. But sometimes these aspects tend to get crumbled up and it's chaos in the mind. And to relieve yourself from that chaos, you should address these problems. And to address these problems, you must take down a journal or a paper. Write everything down specifically, clearly, just even a mindable word. When you will dump all those ideas in that specific paper, believe me, your brain will start to get out of that chaos and it will address those problems like a checklist. I literally wanted to address the same thing when I got my brain fogged up many times and literally do sometimes. So I made my own journal in which I write down all of the things, address all of the things, and here is the journal. Link will be in the description for you to check out. So do address the problem. Your brain will love this method. Law number 3, Gilbert's Law. It states that when you take on a task, the best way to complete the task, finding the best way to succeed is your responsibility. Now, if you blame your parents, the system, the algorithm, well, Gilbert's Law calls you out. As this law states that the truth is that no one owes you clarity, no one owes you momentum, but if it is your dream, then guess what? It's a blueprint. You are the creator of your own masterpiece. Law number 4, Wilson's Law. It states that if you prioritize knowledge and intelligence, money will continue to come. Well, you know, trends fade, followers unfollow, but if you like this video, do subscribe. And for knowledge, we tend to ignore it so much that we do not tend to get ourselves pumped up as much as we can, because we just tend to pump down the desire for knowledge and tend to say to ourselves that it's not well deserved of the time. You should work harder or hustle harder. But if you build up knowledge, it will literally accompany you in making money, for which you are already acquiring many skills. Skills are nothing without knowledge. Knowledge is something which compounds quietly. While everybody else is chasing noise, you should quietly build your inner empire by acquiring as much knowledge as you can. Law number 5, Falkland's Law. It states that if you don't have to make a decision of something, then don't decide. This law is so underrated. It just says that you don't need to act fast. Sometimes waiting is power. Silence is strategy. So before a decision, ask yourself one time whether you are ready to make this decision right now. The message I want you to carry away is life is not random. It's patterns. When you recognize those special kind of laws which are shaping your life quietly, you tend to get so gripped up, so control of your own life, that you can build the outcomes which you desire, that life, that dream which you desire. In the end, I want to ask you guys, which law hit you the hardest? Let me know in the comments. I will reply to every insight in the comments. And for great newsletters in which many pieces of information are combined by myself, and you want to check that out, please sign up for the newsletter in the link in the description, which will be given. So, as well as you can also try the journal which I have made, and I have personally curated everything which is inside. And this is the journal and the link will be in the description. If you're someone who works on laptops and tablets and tend to write digitally, this journal will be so useful, as Good Notes and Concepts app supports these. Also, If you are not just building your feed and you're building yourself, do subscribe to this channel. It will be of great help to me, and inshallah see you next time. See ya.